on the road again. And it's bright and early on a Friday morning. Man, we've been waiting all week for today. But we're headed up on top of the Hurricane Hill here in town. Only about a mile or two from the shop. Got a guy in a cargo trailer that decided to take the Runaway brake route. So he is stuck. And that leads up to the adventure of losing his tire on his trailer. Anyways, we'll get up there on top of the hill and see what we got going on, and we will take you along for the ride. With one tire, huh? Yep. All right. So these Runaway truck ramps, you guys might not believe it, but they actually do work. This is how their morning started. Nice and toasty. At least it's not snowing. Wisconsin, it's snowing right now. You know what? All right, we'll probably just pull around and give them a little tug, see if we can get them out of there.
Your website, huh?
That's right. Oh, it's all in good fun.
Oh yeah. You're gonna try to pull through here, huh?
I think so.
I thought so too. Yeah.
I think that might be the easiest bet.
So where's a good place in town to get a trailer fixed? Your shop?
Trust them babies? I sometimes do. You want to just jump in it and we'll kind of see what it does? Down there. All right, that wasn't too big of a deal. Just get them pulled up out of there, and it's pretty dang soft. It's designed to get them big rigs to stop when they hit it. So it worked on that little pickup and trailer. Let's see if we can get him into the shop today and see about fixing that wheel bearing for him. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Nothing like starting a Friday morning off with a nice easy job with a 3 or 4 fun guys. They're giving me a rash of crap. They're just gonna follow me down to the shop. We're gonna see if we can get that backing plate and that wheel bearing all figured out. And it's never any fun to lose that tire, but it looks like it actually wasn't the lug nuts. It had just burnt the outside bearing, and that whole tire and wheel and backing plate, our brake drum and everything come clear off the truck. So the subscriber count's climbing. We're sure having fun. We're gonna keep on doing what we're doing. So thanks for coming along for the ride. So what do you think, belt, pulley, or what?
It's bored.
Hey, look, you guys. I got a new coat. See that? All you guys bugging me about my coat. Well, there's a new one. That ought to work. Good looking trailer. We're lack of the tire, it'd be better, but yeah. At least the tire passed you instead of went off the hill. Yeah. You could have landed down here with a little work. You guys could have put it right today. Might have to use your forklift. Might. Oh no, I got that. I know that bottle jack can lift it if I got it behind it.
We got a 12-ton bottle jack also.
We got enough jacks around here, we can scare it. All right, these boys got a couple new tires on the old girl. We got crap scattered all over the place, backing plates. Got the old Heister forklift being our lift for a few minutes. We're working them over pretty good. They've got all the good stuff. They don't want to have a tire pass them again.
Yeah. But you know what? We got her done. Counts right there.
Well, we got them back on the road again. We put all new backing plates, a couple new tires, adjusted all the brakes up, packed the wheel bearings. Those guys will be ready for another 60 or 70,000 miles on that trailer. So thanks for coming along for the ride and hanging out with us down at the shop.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I feel so good. I feel so good. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world, yes. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. When you said your last goodbye, I died a little bit inside. I lay in tears in bed all night. you.